In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Vitals on Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin and go to your online store section. From there, click on Themes. This is where you manage the look and functionality of your storefront, and it is also where you can control certain app-related settings that affect how features appear on your live store. Once you are inside the Themes area, find the theme you want to work with and click Customize. This will open the Shopify theme editor. The theme editor is where you can make visual changes to your store, but it also gives you access to app embeds, which allow compatible apps like Vitals to run properly within your theme. After the theme editor opens, look to the left-hand sidebar. You will see several icons there. Click the App Embeds icon, which is the third icon down on the left sidebar. This section is specifically for turning embedded app features on or off inside your theme. If Vitals is installed on your Shopify store, you should see it listed here. Now find Vitals in the App Embed section and toggle it to On. This step is important because enabling the app embed allows Vitals to connect with your theme and display or activate its supported features correctly. If this setting is left off, some parts of the app may not function as expected on your storefront. Once you have turned Vitals on, click Save. Saving confirms the change and publishes it to your theme. It is always a good idea to wait a moment and make sure the save completes successfully before leaving the editor. If you want to be extra careful, you can quickly preview your store afterward to confirm everything is working as expected. This can help you catch any setup issues right away and gives you peace of mind that the app embed has been enabled properly. That is the full process for turning on Vitals in Shopify. You go to Online Store, then Themes, then Customize. Open App Embeds from the left sidebar, switch Vitals to Own, and save your changes. That covers everything you need to know.